Alright, this is a Holmes window fan from 2012. It is a One Touch model, and I'll show the model number when I turn it around because I don't remember it. As you can see, it's also got a thermostat on it. It is electrically reversible, and you can have one pulling out, one blowing in, or both exhausting, both intake. Here is the window spacer, and of course I've got the extra ones for this side. Cord comes out the front because you don't have to reverse this thing in the window since it is electrically reversible. Let me turn it around so you can see the back. Alright, here's the back of it. It is gray. As you can see, 6 blades per side, and inside of there is where all the electronics are, the thermostat, and I'm wondering if there is a capacitor in there because these are not C-frame motors, but they could still be shaded pole motors. Because I don't see a capacitor anywhere out here, but like I said, it could be inside of there. So let's take a look at the model number real quick. Oh, get some light over here. There we go. Come on. Okay, it's hard to see, but it is 0.6 amps, and the model number is HWF0910AT. So, let's go ahead and turn this thing around here, and we'll run it in just a second. Here is its plug. It has a replaceable fuse plug, which is good. You can't see it from this side. The fuse compartment is on the other side, but it's a reasonable length. I don't think it's as long as those ones are. But, okay, let's start it up on high intake. And this one feels like it moves about the same amount of air as the older Holmes window fans that I have with the 3 blades. Might be slightly higher volume, but I don't know. And we go down to low. There's a little bit of a delay. It's very nice and quiet on low. And then we do high and thermostat, 60, 65, 70, 75. It turns off because it's not that warm in here. And of course the last one, 80. Then we get low with the thermostat, and it turns it up to high for some reason whenever you switch between temperatures on low. And it just cut off on 70, and that's off. Now what you can do is just hold this thing down and it'll shut off from there. Okay, so let's turn it back on, and we will reverse both of them. So now it's exhausting the air. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but this blade is a bit wobbly on this side. It actually used to make a bit of noise because of that. This one is nice and balanced though. And of course we can do one on intake, all the other ones on exhaust. And I don't know if you're supposed to do this or not, but if you put the switch in the middle, it turns one of them off. So you can do that, but I don't know if that's really such a good idea, because it could damage the switch, possibly cause an electrical fire, so yeah, let's not do that. There you go. I think this is a pretty decent window fan. It's nice and quiet. As you can see, it is missing a slat right there, so it has suffered a little bit of damage, but yeah, it's okay. I don't know if I'd really say it's any better or worse than these. But anyway, that is my Holmes One Touch window fan from 2012. Thank you for watching.